and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, what we have seen, the silver, whenever it moves, it's try to go in a zone. Okay, and when there is a breakout happens, we have seen a downfall as well an upside. Okay, this is after pandemic. We have seen that the price was continuously upside, and then when there is a zone breakout happens, we have seen a fall, swing form, then again it moved in a zone, and then breakout happens. That is where we have seen a new high. After that, what happens? Whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a fall. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, it made a new high, we have seen a fall, made a new high, then we have seen a fall. Okay, because profit booking comes at this level, and you have to understand. So how you can capture the big movement? By trailing your SL. If you are trailing your SL, you can capture the big profit. Suppose it has to go at a level of 30, 35, so you can capture by trailing your SL by around, suppose, $0.20 something. You, if you are trailing your SL, then you can capture the big movement, because if it is making a U-turn, then there is a probability that you can book your profit by trailing your SL. Looking at this particular chart from 3 weeks, there is a continuous fall. Okay, it has already made a half around 32.5. After that, it has not moved up this particular level. Go on dollar index chart, you will see clearly dollar index is trying to go high, but it is not sustaining because it is moving in this particular zone. So you have to understand, if the price started going below $104, we can see the price will of dollar index started going down, then the silver price will come up, and probability is high that it can go down. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above a level of 104.5, which is close to its now trading at, okay, this is trading at a level of 104.3, so probability can be there. If it started sustaining this level and sustain 104.5, then a further upside movement we can see. So you have to look at in this particular zone. Okay, so if the dollar index started going upside, we can see the silver price will come low. Now coming back again on the price of silver. So before I move, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see if the price didn't sustain, and probability is high it will not sustain. It can move below a level of 27.4 because this level is already being a weak support. Once started going below this level, we can see a level of $26.6. Suppose if the price falling below 26.6, we can see it will go towards 26.4, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $25.9. Okay, keeping that in mind, if the price started falling 25.9, a further downfall we can see towards 25.4. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $25. Okay, and if the price falling below 25, we will see it will go towards a level of $24.2, and then a further fall. Okay, now keeping that in mind, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, because see, this is a bounce back we can see at this level. Okay, so a bounce back can come from this, but if didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $28.6. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 29.4 we can see. Okay, if the price moving above a level of 29.4, chances of touching a level of 29.7 we can see, and after that a resistance above a level of 29.8 we can see. So you have to keep it in mind, this is a strong resistance. So if it bounce back can come from this level, but if it sustain a further upside towards a level of around 30.8 we can see once started crossing 30.5. See, it may seem small resistance, but when the quantity is high, when you're trading with high leverage, then it's create a lot of impact, and the profit and losses are huge. So you have to understand, keep trailing your SL and set your limit for SL. Okay, even because see, risk is important, you have to define your risk as per your capital. Okay, try to do it around 0.5 to 1% of your traded capital. That means, suppose if you are trading 5 trades, try to allocate capital in 5 trades. Okay, 20% on then SL of 0.1 or 5 1%, 0.5 to 1%. So if it comes in your SL, it relax for the day. This is what you should be doing. Okay, so if it's price sustain above a level of 30.9, a probability of crossing 31.4 we can see, and then further high. Okay, if the price started crossing above 31, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video,